Marikana Massacre victims receive R352 million in compensation as South Africa reflects on tragedy, by Satori News. As South Africa approaches the solemn 12-year remembrance of the Marikana Massacre, an update emerges from the Department of Justice on the compensation efforts made for the families of the victims. It was reported that R352 million has been distributed among the victims and families affected by the clashes that took place on August 16, 2012, which resulted in the death of 34 minors and the injury and arrest of many others. Justice Minister Thembi Simelane has expressed a strong commitment to addressing the remaining aspects of compensation, specifically dealing with the pending decision on constitutional damages from the Gauteng High Court. This ruling is vital as it will likely serve as a precedent for compensatory measures following state-inflicted trauma and injury. Successful compensation payouts have reached the families of the deceased, the 70 injured individuals, and approximately 250 people who were arrested following the incident. Minister Simelane stressed the individual assessment of each case, ensuring that the compensations are lawful and adhere to pertinent legal guidelines and court orders. Despite these advancements, the Socio-Economic Rights Institute, SERI, has raised concerns that there is still a significant number of affected individuals who have not received the reparations due to them. More than 100 people linked to the tragedy await justice, signaling the need for continued diligence and action from the Justice Department. The acknowledgement by Solicitor General Fedizisani Pandalani of the unprecedented class action on constitutional damages awaiting a court decision indicates an intricate legal scenario where the baseline budget holder would be another government department, in this case, the South African Police Services, SAPS. This complexity adds another layer to the compensation process, requiring thorough governmental procedures. As the Marikana Massacre remains a dark chapter in South Africa's history, the pursuit of justice and reparations carries profound importance for the nation. The government's response and the judiciary's forthcoming decisions on constitutional damages will form a critical part of the discourse in the country's journey towards healing and making amends to those who suffered from the tragic events. Thank you for choosing Satori News.